How you doing?
Don't come to Juan the Fuca. Shit. You wanna be in mud all day? Fucking come!
For Juan de Fuca, everybody does it. We don't have that. Here we go. We made it to Mystic Beach. We got lost. I went to this random muddy path. I definitely ate shit on it. Princess was not having it. It was definitely the grumpiest 10 minutes ever, but we made it.
Here we are, Mystic Beach.
Oh, she's liking the know. No.
Day 2. Leaving Mystic Beach, going to Bear Beach. Let's get it. Day 2.
Yeah.
Here we are.
We got 2 campfires to choose from. This is sheltered from the wind here, with benches. Got the garbage bag all set up, our tent with ocean views. Little ledge to rest our stuff. Another campfire. One fire. Bear Campground 101. "6 a.m. As you can see, the tide is now much further away, and last night we were just standing here looking at the waves. Almost done packing up, everything's drenched. On the Fuca. Day 3. We're leaving Bear Campground. We're about to do the roughest part, all the way on our way to Chin Beach. So we'll see how it goes. As you know, we don't pack light. Jeez, how are we supposed to go through this mud? Only way, buddy. Only fucking way. Ah. Day 3, Chin Beach. Me and Princess woke up early and we were pretty much the first people here, so we got the best site, but there's literally no spots. It's filled, so our site, which was huge, is now filled with other people's tents. But it's cool because we're all having a bonfire now, so it's kind of a nice experience. We got the 2 benches and everybody else just kind of pitched around us and above, and then now we got the bonfire right here. Alright, it's day 3. We're now on our way to Sombrio Beach, and we just are leaving Chin Beach. Rainy day. My lady's excited to go home.
Yeah, shit.
She's over it all.
Over the camping.
She doesn't like camping anymore. We got our tarp set up. Got a little hanging thing from our pole to dry our gators. And yeah, we're doing it. Alright. A little bit of a rainy day. We're making some soup inside our tent.
This is Sombrio Beach.
And this is our beach. This is our view, so it's not bad to relax inside the tent. I got nothing else to do. And we actually have our little clothes drying out right there. We kind of did what we had. It ain't perfect, but it works.
Night 4. 2 more nights.
Night 3. She's already losing count.
No. What? Night 3.
Oh, it is night 4. That's rough.
You know what's rough?
Look how beat they look.
You know what's rough? When I have to the morning of.
Yeah, I know. I figured already. Alright. Just woke up after a long night at Sombrio. Princess is packing away. Tarp looks pretty solid. Held up all night. No pulling. Alright. Day 4. We're on our way. Day 5? Day 5. There we go.
Night 5.
Night 5. She's counting. We are on our way to Payzant. She's excited to go home. She wanted this last day feeling. She's got it.
I'm excited. I have energy. I got free trail mix,
From
free
our friends.
dehydrated
Tanya
fruits.
and Lloyd.
Yeah. Thanks, Tanya and Lloyd.
Princess is so pissed. She just ran straight through the mud. Just running straight. Just pissed, swearing. That's one to Fuca for you guys. How you doing?
Never recommend it. Don't come to Juan the Fuca. Shit. You wanna be in mud all day? Fucking come! Rain all day, and then when we hike through fucking mud, well guess what? The sun is fucking shining.
We made it to through our 12-kilometer muddy trek. Got on my bear spray in hand because, well, we're in a rainforest tonight.
Yeah, rainforest. It's actually pretty when you see all these big tall trees, skinny trees, with the sun shining through it.
We have the piss-colored water that Princess loves. Filling up a water bottle. Got our stuff drying. Our boots are literally to the rim with mud. And I'm fucking freezing. I got these little tiny fucking slippers and my legs got Crocs and wet socks on. We're stoked. Stoked to go home.
Stoked.
Alright, day 6.
Home time.
That's how it's pretty much things are going right now. Last kilometer.
Civilization. I completed 47 kilometers on the Fuca. Oh. Sun.
Alright, we're all packed up. On the Fuca has been an experience, alright. Lady's so excited. She's been waiting for this moment for 48 kilometers.
More than 48 kilometers because we hitchhiked. But
This is like the moment where you like cherish your key opening, it going into ignition, and you're like, oh, I'm going home.